St. Clair Shores, leaky basement, 2 areas. There is a crack in a poured wall right around there somewhere that was previously injected, and there might be some gaps, openings under that ledge, and you see the condition of the ledge and the joint, and there's some others. So, and the other area, opposite side, chimney. Homeowners did their own water test. They got water in within 5 minutes. I don't think that's in the way, but that is. And we have a sprinkler system. So we might have to cut a hose or two, we might not. Depends where they are. Okay. Alrighty. And they did have work done above ground to the chimney. Night night.